I'd like to explain the loss function of like when training a Word2vec model. So let's say our vocabulary size is only 3 with I love you and the encoding is like 110 and 100. So let's say if the input is 001 meaning I, then the expected the output is like love 010 there. And this is the what the neural network output after the softmax in the output layer here. So we got like 5%, 9%, 90%, and then 5% here. So this is the correct answer. And the formula of the loss function is just like the correct answer, which is either 0 or 1 multiplied by the log of the probability of that node there. So and taking a minus at the end. So if we write out the 3 words here, you see only the second term here being like this is being 1 would remain in the formula, and all the other terms just vanish because they all multiply by 0 there. So this is telling you the probability of predict the probability of the correct word. So this will be the correct word. And take a log and take a minus. So that will be the formula. So if you look at like the minus log x plotted out there. So we see if the correct word, we kind of predict it big. So like 90% is kind of close to 1, then its loss would be kind of small there. And if we somehow predict it to be a very small probability, then its loss will be infinity when it's closer to 0 there. So what the learning process would do is actually after we see this training data with like this pair, it will try to like increase the probability of this one further and decrease the probability of the other uh, output there. So and then you keep going and going, and then you do it for like many of these like a word pair. They eventually they would consistent like a get a more stable network way there. So then we can call the training is finished there.